Which one are you going to go for, mate? Crab? Or whale? Or even little fish? You got him? You need a little hand there, mate. I'll tell you what, we'll cheat just a little bit. Come this way a bit. Come this way a little bit. And you want to go that way a little bit. Okay. There you go, mate. Get a good grip on. That's this fishing business, isn't it? You got him, mate. Oh, steady as you go, steady. You got him. What a good boy. Munch, munch, munch. How was that whale sandwich? Pretty tasty?